Hello student, myself Shraddha Kapartiwar, teaching in LP Savani Vidya Bhavan. Today we will start chapter number 9, Data Handling. What is data handling? Data handling is the way in which data can be represented graphically to give a clear idea of what it represents. It is easier to interpret or organize data using pictorial representation. Data handling include bar graph, pictograph and tally marks. That means tally graph. What is tally chart? A method of counting frequencies according to some classification in a set of data. For S of counting, every fifth observation is represented by a diagonal line crossing to the previous 4 to the make 5 bad get. Tally chart is offered use with group observation. Here a chart of favorite pets is given and pet is represented by a picture and tally marks, that means represent a bundle of 5, that means number is represent. So first picture is represent that 10. Second picture 4 standing lines, that means 4. And third picture bundle of 5 and 1, that is 6. Now tally mark definition. Tally mark are a quick way to keeping track of numbers in a group of 5. One vertical line is made for each of the first 4 numbers. The fifth number is represented by a diagonal line across the previous 4. Count the tally marks. Count the tally mark as and tell the corresponding number. Here 25 can be represented as 5 bundle of 5 tally marks. Now here is solve question and the grouping is like that: reading group, number of books read and frequency. That means some reading books, they have some books names are there and number of books read. So frequencies are 16, that means the bundle of 5 is 3 and one standing line, that means it can be represented at 16 in a such a way that some frequencies are given there. Now there are some colorful balls are there and we have to find out the tally and the total. So the balls are blue, red and white lines. So if we count the blue ball, there are 5 balls. So it can be tally as 4 standing and 1 cross line, that is the bundle of 5. It can be represented as 5. And the red balls, small red balls are 6. So 4 standing line and 1 cross, that is 1 bundle of 5 and 1 standing line, that is 6. And white lines ball, that is 4. So 4 standing line is 4. That means it can be represented as 4. So how many blues are there and how many more red than white? So here answer is very clear. So answer is 2. Now what is a bar graph? It is the way of representing data visually. Bars are of uniform width and can be drawn horizontally or vertically with equal spacing between them. The length of each bar represents the given number frequency. Now the parts of bar graph are x-axis, y-axis, scale and bars. Now in bar graph, is a pictograph giving a representation of a numerical data by a number of rectangular bars given in a uniform width and erected horizontally or vertically with equal spacing between them. We have observed that represented data by a pictorial form as well as in tally form is very time consuming and difficult, but bar graph is better method as compared to pictograph. So parts of bar graph, that is x-axis, the line on a graph that runs vertically, that is up down through 0. It is used as reference line so you can measure from it. X-axis, the line on a graph that runs horizontally, that is left to right through 0. It is used as reference line so you can measure from it. Bars, they can be horizontal or vertical bars of a bar graph are used to show how large each value is. And the scale on a graph is what we use to measure the distance between the given coordinates. Now this is an example of a bar graph. So bar graph question is sweets sold on Monday. On x-axis there are some sweets names are given there, and on y-axis there are scale which is starting from 0 up to 16. So x-axis represents sweets and y-axis represent numbers. It is easy to answer this question from a graph. There is only one set of data on this graph. Now here is one question. What is the most popular sweet bought on Monday? So the answer is Mars. Now what are pictograph? The representation of an information through the pictures is called a pictograph. Pictograph use relative size or representation of the same icon, picture or symbol to show comparison. Also called pictogram, pictorial chart, pictograph or picture graph. So here is an example of pictograph. Now the question is related sports played by third garden. So football, soccer, hockey, baseball, some sports names are there. Here one football represent 10 students. So baseball played by 50 students, football 30 students, soccer 60 students, hockey 20 students and baseball 40 students. Now here another example of pictograph. Here one smiley represents two books and the books names are badgers, tigers, peacocks, elephants, pigs and spider. So badgers books are, that means symbols, first we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So one symbol represents two books, that means 8 multiplied 2 is equal to 16. And tigers 14 and peacock. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and half. So 11 multiplied by 2, that is 22 plus 1, that is 23 books of peacocks. Elephants 4, pigs 1 and spider is, once again let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 1 is half. So 6 multiplied 2 is 12 plus 1, that is 13. So pictograph, it will represent as a pictograph use pictures to show and compare data. Now here is the a question related way to school. That means some students obviously coming in school with bus, some students are walk, then bike and then car. Here each picture stands for two students. So bus, that is 8, walk, that is 4, bike symbol, that is 6, and car is again 4. Now here is one question: how many children take a bus? So if we calculate for one picture of two students, that is 4 multiplied by 2, that is 8, and how many more children ride their bike than walk, that is 2 more children. So here is the explanation of pictograph with their example.